Hi everyone, it's time to go home. I've got another scooter now. This is the third scooter, and I think this one seems a lot better. I picked it up at lunchtime and the rattle doesn't appear to be as bad, so it's much better. And also it seems a lot more nippier than my first one. It's as nippy as the second scooter I had. Quick off the mark. It seems quite good. But I'll tell you more when I get home. It either will or it won't be. Games. It's very mild this evening. It's not cold at all. I've got my gloves on, but I don't think I really need them on. There are a few little rattles, nowhere near as bad as the last one or two, the last two scooters. Seems a little bit more muffled, a bit. It's a little bit lighter today. I think it's just cloudy, although it's lighter, it's cloudy lighter, if that makes sense, which is great. The daffodils are starting to pop up now. You can see them on the greenery, on the grass. Spring's coming. Let's just hope it doesn't snow now. cross over the road here, look. Well, so far so good with the new scooter. It's time to go. Yes, this scooter seems to run much more freely than the first one and freer than the second one I had. That's for sure. Just hope this holds out now. There you go. On the road for the last little bit. Yeah, it's not a little yet. Perhaps halfway into the journey now, 2 kilometres approximately. Dry throat. Hope I'm not catching anything. On the subject of catching anything, so far I think I've been quite lucky with COVID. I've not had it, so keeping my fingers crossed. I know it doesn't look like it, but this is actually very good exercise for your legs, because you could just stand on one leg. ring the little bell thing, he would have definitely just walked out onto the road, not looking on his phone. Well, nearly home again. Nothing really good, well, say good, nothing really interesting to report today, other than new scooters arrived, and all in all I'm much more happier with it. I think this is probably the best scooter I've had. Tomorrow's going to be a longish day, coming to work, and I've got another journey to make after work, late night journey, so that should be fun. Going into the city centre tomorrow evening and coming back late, so fun in the dark. Right, well that's it for today. More tomorrow. Have a nice evening, guys. Bye.